Professor Vinster here. I just picked up something that's really cool. Check this out. I bought a boat kit, an older boat kit, fiberglass boat kit, because I wanted this. What an amazing motor. Anyway, I had a plan for it. This is an amazing, oh, here we go. Just don't want to break stuff. There we go. Hang on. Why is that not given on this side? There we go. Look at that. Look at the motor in this thing. 20. I believe it's a 24 volt motor. I'm not positive yet. I didn't get instructions with the motor. I'm thinking that it's a 24 volt motor. But what a beast. What a beautiful motor. I've got a boat that I was planning on putting this on other than the one I got with it, because I'm a 3D guy, so I'm going to build the 3D boat, which I already built, so you will see it. I think I'm going to change the name on it. Put some actually new graphics on it. We've got a vinyl, or what do they call it, a printer that does vinyl. Anyway, I was thinking of setting this baby up on that thing. Might even put a little fancier prop on it. This prop's just plastic. I'll have to see what I can go for. But I don't think it's well, it could be liquid cooled. There's a unit that goes through that, but I didn't see anything wrapped around the motor. Oh no, there's a unit right there. At the unit it sits on, it looks like it's a water cooling turbo racer. Wow. Oh, yep, 20 volts. There it is. It's written 20 volts. That's so cool. I'm glad. A lot of the guys at the hobby shop wanted to buy just the motor, but you know, the kit and the motor to me was worth $300, so I paid the $300. Brought her home. This is the boat that I want to put with the motor. I built this set of on the 3D printer in sections. Looks pretty awesome. And I'm going to do some cutting on the top here. Cut that out so that it comes out back and forth. And I just put this in here. I'm going to actually cover it with some epoxy glass, make it a little more durable. And I was planning on putting this motor here on the back of it, which I thought was going to be pretty cool. And I think that's exactly what I'm going to do. I got to look in the other camera and make sure everything's. But this is my goal, is to actually put this on. This is what I'm thinking. I don't know if it'll be incredibly fast, but it's a light boat, and I think it'll be awesome. So I don't know what your guys' opinions would be, but I think in my mind this is what I wanted to do. So then again, print it on the 3D printer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then a little piece on the back. 8 pieces to make it a little bit. I'm gonna probably make the, I don't know if I'm gonna have this removed, not sure yet, but I'm gonna glass it, then I'm gonna cut it, and then some parts I'll put foam in it. But it's really light. And that motor, other than that motor and a 20 volt, or what I will figure out for the speed control, and the battery and speed control and the radio will be really light. So it should be, other than putting a little weight to keep the nose down, and it'll be great. So that's my plans, and that'll be something I'll be working on soon. got another boat that I'm working on, but it's going to be one of those surprises. It'll probably be before this one, the other boat. But this one here, I'm going to get it ready. And hopefully this season we're going to have a lot of boats going, a lot of cars and a lot of trucks. So that's my goal. Plus I got a whole bunch of other stuff on the go too, which is normal for me. And setting up the new area. This toolbox behind me is going to move. There'll be some stuff displayed behind me. This toolbox, I'm going to buy the bottom half of it, and that way I can roll it around because I want all my gear. And yeah, this is a pretty big table. I'm right now on for doing my setups, so that'll be cool. And yeah, so this motor is going to go on that. And when I figure out, obviously I'm going to have to reinforce in here. Probably put some of the kind of the plywood, and then fiberglass it up, and then there's some actually a spot in there that's ready for wires. But yeah, I think this whole thing's going to come off. That's how I'm going to do it. So there it is, and hopefully I get to it ASAP. So let me put that over there so that I get my lighting back. My lighting is, I'm working on the lighting for the table here, and I'm working on my sound. Might have to change some things, and then I'm going to make some other cameras for the other points and kind of liven it up. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.